Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 video editing softwares in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these softwares, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's Pinnacle Studio 22. Color grading, meaning that you can stylize your image to set the tone and mood with new powerful color grading controls, including color correction, color wheels, LUT, waveform scope, and more. With precise controls, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to setting the ambiance, creating a sun-kissed scenario or an ice blue landscape. Even match the color of 2 clips captured in different lighting. The creative possibilities and customizations are endless with Pinnacle Studio. In addition, 3- and 4-point editing is available, so not only can you drag and drop your media to the timeline, but now precisely insert clips with new 3- and 4-point editing. Mark the in and out points of your clip and identify the location on your timeline of where to place them for the ultimate level of flexibility and precision. Moving on, multicam capture is present, which will let you record your screen and webcam simultaneously and create engaging tutorial videos. With unique screen recording software, you can easily capture video, system audio, and microphone sound in a single click and edit them together seamlessly with multi-camera editing. What I also like about this software is the motion tracking feature. Put the focus on certain people or objects in your video using motion tracking. Add moving text or graphics to track players in a sporting ground, or draw attention to a particular guest in a room full of people. Mark your object, press play to track its motion, and then easily add the overlay of your choice. Moreover, enhanced 360 video editing will make your experience a whole lot better. Simply import your 360 video footage and start editing. Correct color, trim footage, and export as 360 videos or control the angle and convert to standard video. With support for all popular 360 formats, you can now turn your 360 video footage into a tiny planet effect and give your audience a fun perspective. Last but not least, premium effects are there to make your video look like a movie. Add incredible creative effects and correct almost any video problem with these premium effects from New Blue FX. Get hundreds of dollars worth of professional quality special effects with Pinnacle Studio Ultimate. At number 4, it's Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora 9 enables you to import standard HD and even 4K videos. Or you can record a video with Filmora using your computer's webcam or by recording your computer screen. You can even record a voiceover with Filmora. Your media clips, including imported videos, images, and audio files, will be located in the media library where you can access them quickly and easily. After your media files, videos, images have been imported to Filmora 9, it's time to start editing, which will let you go over arranging clips in your timeline, cleaning up your footage, editing out unwanted parts, and more. With filters and overlays, your creative possibilities are endless. You can dramatically change the look and feel of your video in just a couple of clicks. Hover your mouse over the thumbnail of the effect you want to use, and when you see a plus icon in the middle, click it. Then the effect will be added to your timeline. Drag the filter or overlay and drop it directly onto the video clip in your timeline that you want to add it to. Effects will be applied to the whole video clip this way. All filters and overlays are sorted into themed categories to make them easy to find. Go to the Effects menu and look to the left of the screen to see the categories and start browsing. To export your video to your computer, click the Export button and choose the local tab. Then select the format you want to export in. Currently, Filmora 9 supports the following formats: WMV, MP4, AVI, MOV, F4V, MKV, TS, 3GP, MPEG-2, WebM, GIF, and MP3. After selecting the output format, you can rename the video and change the location on your computer where you save it. You can also check the output resolution, frame rate, size, and duration before you export. To change your export settings, for instance, resolution, bitrate, and frame rate, click the Settings button. In the Settings window, there are 3 quality levels: Best, Better, and Good. The only difference among them is the bitrate. You are able to adjust this or other parameters such as resolution and frame rate in this window. Overall, you should try Filmora Studio if you want your editing experience to be elevated to a whole new level. At number 3, it's CyberLink PowerDirector 17. PowerDirector delivers professional-grade video editing and production for creators of all levels. Whether you're editing in 360 degrees, Ultra HD 4K, or even the latest online media formats, PowerDirector remains the definitive Windows editing solution for anyone, whether they are beginners or professionals. To begin with, Express projects. You can pick from a huge range of ready-made templates complete with effects, transitions, animations, and music. From there, it's simply a matter of adding your clips to the timeline and clicking Produce. Action Camera Center is there for you if you need to edit, correct, and enhance your action footage, the essential toolkit for working with action camera footage. In addition, one-click color correction is also present. True Theatre Color instantly optimizes hues and vibrancy in your video for a true-to-life appearance. PowerDirector is the best video editing software for quick professional-grade color correction. If your footage doesn't match the other's color, Intelligent Color Match will do the job. Scenes filmed with different cameras can have a very different exposure and color look. Color Match lets you standardize color through different clips with the click of a button. More on that end, color grading is as easy as it can get. Lookup tables, LUTs, are a useful and quick method that pro videographers use to match footage from one source to another in order to achieve a particular effect throughout a video. The multi-key sampling chroma key editing means that now you can perform Hollywood-style green screen editing thanks to an improved chroma key engine and multi-key color sampling. Additionally, frame-by-frame motion tracking will ensure 100% accurate object tracking accuracy in your video clips with a granular control of frame-by-frame motion tracking. Have you ever wondered how you could do integrated video collages and multicam editing? Well, this software helps you do that specifically. The intuitive Multicam Designer allows you to synchronize and switch between footage shot from different cameras. Choose to produce a single video or use Video Collage Designer to create a stunning, totally customizable collage complete with animated openings and endings. Use one of the existing templates or create your own to save and reuse on different projects. Easy integration makes PowerDirector the best video editing software for collages. At number 2, it's Vegas Pro 16. For 20 years, Vegas Pro has stood for professional video editing, audio editing, and disc authoring. Now, version 16 includes even more innovative creativity tools like advanced motion tracking, world-class video stabilization, and dynamic storyboarding that deliver incredible results faster than ever. To begin with, the Boris FX Continuum Lights unit will add a new level of excitement to your videos with incredible lighting effects. From glows and light leaks to dramatically animated sci-fi lasers and 3D lens flares. Create DVD and HD Blu-ray discs with ease. With 80 templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, it's simple to produce great-looking menus with sophisticated interactive features. In addition, the Pro Dad Fighter Scene V3 LE has a suite of over 100 effects, which includes everything from light and mood filters to creative paint effects and the popular Tilt-Shift Mini-City effect. Vegas Pro delivers advanced motion tracking that gives you the tracking power you need. Create sophisticated mask shapes and track any object to apply filters and special effects. Easily pin text or video to tracked objects. The video stabilization tool has been completely rebuilt with state-of-the-art technology. It now delivers excellent quality stabilization from even the shakiest footage. With full support for high dynamic range HDR color, not only can you work with video footage shot with the latest cameras, but also preview your work on HDR reference monitors and deliver stunningly crisp HDR content. The dynamic storyboard workflow might just change the way you edit from now on. Quickly assemble rough cuts and alternate versions in an uncomplicated storyboard environment. Changes made to the main storyboard are reflected instantaneously in the timeline. In reverse, edits on the timeline can be synchronized to the storyboard with one click, or automatically as you edit. You can also create additional storyboards for experimental edits, alternate sequencing, or to keep track of different sections within your video. Vegas Pro 16 features a comprehensive list of file backup options. You can back up your work after a set time, determined in minutes and hours, and keep any number of daily backups. You can automatically save the current project and backup file after every edit. All backups can be saved to the same folder as the project file, a temporary location, or any user-specified location, and opened anytime you want to return to them. Overall, you should definitely try Vegas Pro 16, especially if you've used its previous editions. This one has more improvements and enhancements than you could possibly imagine. And at number 1, it's Adobe Premiere. Premiere Pro is the leading video editing software for film, TV, and the web. Creative tools, integration with other Adobe apps and services, and the power of Adobe Sensei help you to craft footage into polished films and videos in one seamless workflow. And Premiere Rush, their new app, is included with your subscription so you can capture footage and start editing on all your devices, anywhere. Premiere Pro is used by Hollywood filmmakers, TV editors, YouTubers, videographers, anyone with a story to tell, including you. Edit footage in any format from 8K to virtual reality. Broad native file support and simple proxy workflows make it easy to work with your media, even on mobile workstations. Delivering content that's optimized for any screen or platform is faster than ever. Take the guesswork out of curve adjustments with innovative Lumetri color tools. Each curve has 2 axes with paired values, making selective color grading easy and accurate. Also, new sliders in the Essential Sound panel let you dial down or remove background noise and reverb for incredible results. Along with tools for color, audio, and graphics, Premiere Pro works seamlessly with other apps and services, including After Effects, Adobe Audition, and Adobe Stock. Open a motion graphics template from After Effects or download one from Adobe Stock and customize it, all without leaving the app. The Premiere Pro integrates with hundreds of partner technologies. Drag and drop spreadsheets into new infographics motion graphics templates to quickly generate visualizations of your data. Any updates to your spreadsheets are automatically updated in your infographic. In addition, Adobe Premiere supports end-to-end VR 180. Jump into immersive video with support for VR 180, including optimized ingest and effects. Publish your videos in the Google VR 180 format on YouTube or other platforms. To conclude, if you're looking for a pro editing software that Hollywood filmmakers and other professionals use, then Adobe Premiere is the perfect tool for your videos that need editing, or just to create masterpieces from scratch.